Hello guys. In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review when we are covering 5 best pink PC cases in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is Apevia Crusader-F-PK Mid-Tower Gaming Case. Apevia offers even cheaper options for those who are on a budget and looking for affordable yet highly functional pink PC cases for building full-sized computers without spending a premium for the same. This Apevia Crusader-F-PK pink PC case is the best entry-level option given here if you want to go with a full-size computer case without overpaying for it. Since this is a full-sized pink PC case, you can use it along with ATX, Micro-ATX, and Mini-ITX motherboards. While you do get steel construction with this PC case as well as a tempered glass panel on the side, it does not offer as good of a build quality as the previously mentioned Apevia pink PC case up above. Number 2. Our second best pick is SilverStone Ultra Computer Case Mini-ITX. SilverStone technology is one of the most popular and quite an old brand when you are talking about computer cases, CPU coolers, PC fans, and other related accessories, due to which it even offers affordable pink PC cases. The SilverStone Technology SG13P pink PC case is present in the first position in this list since it is the cheapest PC case given here, making it an ideal option for building a computer on a tight budget. Since this is a highly affordable pink PC case, it is made for smaller motherboard sizes including Mini-ITX and Mini-DTX. As you would expect from a budget option, it comes with a steel side panel and not a glass one. Number 3. Our third best pick is Apevia Genesis PK Mid-Tower Gaming Case. Apevia is a comparatively new and kind of a small brand when you are talking about computer components like PC cases, despite which it still offers decently feature-rich and colorful pink PC cases just like the one present here. This Apevia Genesis PK pink PC case is present in the third position in this article because it is a great value for money option thanks to its wide range of included features at a fairly entry-level price tag. Despite being fairly budget-friendly, this happens to be a full-size PC case that works with ATX, Micro-ATX, and Mini-ITX motherboards. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Vetroo A03 Mid-Tower ATX Gaming PC Case. In case you want to have multiple handy features along with a fairly large form factor from your pink PC case, then you can also consider Vetroo and its offerings since it offers the same at a fairly justified price tag. Vetroo's pink PC case can be a great option for all those who not only want a high value for money option, but also want a full-sized pink PC case. This is due to the reason that this pink PC case works with most of the common motherboard sizes like ATX, Micro-ATX, as well as Mini-ITX. While it does offer multiple front input and output ports, it only offers 1x USB 3.0 port due to slower 2x USB 2.0 ports along with 2x audio ports. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Golden Field MAGE-P Computer Case Gaming PC. Golden Field is another brand of computer cases and related products which is quite new in the market but still manages to be a viable option for many who are looking for full-size PC cases with handy features and options. The Golden Field MAGE-P pink PC case is one of the larger options out there for those who are looking for full-size computer cases. Being a full-size and quite a large pink PC case, it's included support for motherboard sizes like ATX, Micro-ATX, and Mini-ITX is to be expected. Another benefit of going with a full-size pink PC case is that on the top. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.